What if I told you that the secret to not aging isn't in what you do, but in what you stop doing? In a world that forces us to fill every second with noise, notifications, and goals, the modern brain is collapsing under the weight of constant stimulation. This exhaustion isn't just mental, it's biological. It manifests as elevated cortisol, systemic inflammation, and premature aging that no cream can stop. There is an ancestral Japanese concept that the West is finally rediscovering in this year 2026, the concept of Ma. Ma is not nothingness. It is the sacred space between things. It is the silence between the notes of a song that allows the music to make sense. In architecture, it is the void that defines the structure. In your life, Ma is the necessary interval for your neurons to regenerate and your nervous system to regain its natural balance. Current science confirms what Zen monks have practiced for centuries. When we allow the brain to enter a state of Ma, we activate the default mode network. This is not a state of inactivity, but a deep cleaning process. During these moments of conscious void, the brain flushes out metabolic toxins and processes residual emotions. Without Ma, the brain overheats, accelerating the shortening of telomeres and, therefore, the aging of your cells. How can you integrate Ma into your daily wellness routine? It's not about meditating for hours. It's about honoring transitions. It's the minute of silence before starting your car engine. It's leaving your phone in another room while you drink your tea. It's looking out the window without the goal of seeing anything in particular. These micro-rituals of silence stop the stress cascade and reprogram your body for longevity. At Zen Glow, we believe true beauty is a consequence of a nervous system at peace. By embracing Ma, you are not only protecting your mind from decay, you are allowing your natural vitality to bloom from within. Silence is not a luxury, it is a biological necessity. Start today. Find your void. Find your Ma.